So this is stuck in there. There we go. It's kind of hard to do it one hand. I am just going to finish filling these up. I've already done these 2 rows, and I'm just going to finish these 2 rows, but I wanted to show you guys real quick that what can fit in here. So I want to make sure that this next one's different from that last one. So I think we'll take 3 of these, and I made sure I got like mini ones. That way they will fit. So 3 in a row can fit in there, but it's kind of hard to do it one hand. These drawers are tiny, but boom. Now, if you have more than 3 kids, then you might want to get a second one, or put some extra in a Ziploc bag. Like you can just do 1 in here, and then for your other kids, put the, like, set out an amount for each kid you have. So say you have, like, I don't know, 4 kids, and so you just put 1 in here and then set 3 aside for that day in like a Ziploc bag or something, and then you give the kids the other ones. And then each kid will take turns, you know, opening 1 each day. That way it's fair. But I just want to show you guys. Even 3 little Rolos will fit in there. And then even these little Hershey bars. Oh my goodness. So let's do 3 of these, right? And what I do is I just slide them and I make sure they're flat. And then I'll just stack them up 3 high, and that fits. Now I found these little Kinder, I don't know, Bueno bars, and they're so good, but only 1 fit in there. So I have to put the other ones on the side, but 1 will fit in there like that. If I can get it back in there. And yeah, there's that. And then I have another one here. And then even these are like the perfect size to just throw some Hershey Kisses in there. But I don't think I have any green ones in there. So I'm trying to alternate colors here. And they will all just fit in there like that. So there you have it, guys. That is my advent calendar. So we're going to take 4 cups of flour.